Are you ready to elevate your fishing experience? In this video, we'll explore the best fishing kayaks on the market today. From stability and storage to comfort and tracking, these kayaks are designed to enhance your time on the water. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, choosing the right kayak can make all the difference. Join us as we dive into top models, key features, and what to consider before making your purchase. Let's get started. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Pelican Catch Classic Angler. Our pick for best budget fishing kayak. The Pelican Catch Classic 120 is an impressive fishing kayak that might have a few limitations compared to pricier models, but it truly shines in what matters most: catching fish. Whether you're casting in kettle ponds or larger lakes across New England, this kayak delivers a solid performance with minimal complaints. Its ultralight design makes it easy to transport from your truck to the water, offering excellent maneuverability that gets you into those hard-to-reach spots. The comfortable seating system allows for long days of fishing without discomfort, an essential feature for any angler. While the lightweight hull provides ease of transport, standing can feel a bit wobbly for some. With a little practice, most anglers adapt quickly. You'll appreciate the ample storage space, thanks to the rear tank well and locking front hatch, maximizing your time on the water. The Catch Classic 120 also includes thoughtful features like adjustable gear rails for accessory customization and flush mount rod holders to keep your fishing rods at hand, but out of your way. Plus, the handy paddle holder lets you secure your paddle, allowing you to focus solely on reeling in your next big catch. Happy fishing! Number 4. Wilderness Systems. Tarpon 120, our pick for best mid-range fishing kayak. The Tarpon 120 is an exceptional choice for paddling enthusiasts, marrying efficient design with user-friendly features. Its long, narrow shape makes gliding through the water feel effortless, while the pronounced keel ensures a straight path, and the rounded chine provides smooth navigation over waves. One of my favorite features is the low-profile seat, elevated from the deck and cushioned with breathable, quick-drying 3D foam. I easily adjusted the backrest and seat to offer perfect support for my lower back and legs, ensuring a comfortable ride. The Tarpon 120 is designed for those who want a kayak that excels in both paddling and fishing. Unlike many fishing kayaks that prioritize storage over performance, this one celebrates paddling joy with its time-tested hull design, while remaining fully equipped for a serious fishing experience. Made for convenience, the gear tracks allow for easy attachment of accessories, and the spacious bow hatch provides ample storage, with an additional hatch for adding a rudder if desired. Available in 3 sizes, 100, 120, and 140, the Tarpon family caters to various paddling preferences. Whether you're looking for agility on rivers or speed for open waters, it combines the best of both worlds. Join me in exploring the excitement of kayaking with the Tarpon 120. Still looking for the perfect fishing kayaks to suit your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Wilderness Systems. Pungo 120, our pick for best value fishing kayak. If you're exploring the world of kayaking, the Wilderness Systems Pungo 120 is truly a standout option, often regarded as the multi-tool of kayaks. This 12-foot recreational kayak has a reputation for being user-friendly, making it easy to hop in and start your adventure. Much like the popular Old Town Loon, the Pungo excels in the recreational category, offering a smooth and predictable paddling experience while maintaining impressive glide. The spacious cockpit allows for easy entry and exit, and if you're planning a day on the water with your furry friend, just remove the dashboard to create extra space for Fido. What sets the Pungo apart is its excellent primary stability, which means you can confidently navigate even tighter turns. Its sleek length and minimal rocker contribute to its speed, and the trailing stern keel helps it track straight. Transporting the Pungo is a breeze thanks to its molded-in handles and robust rotomolded polyethylene construction, which resist damage. Plus, a replaceable skid plate on the stern means occasional dragging won't be an issue. With a reliable rear hatch to keep your gear safe and dry, the Pungo 120 is an excellent choice for anyone ready to level up from a beginner kayak. Whether you're seeking leisure or exploration, you're bound to enjoy this versatile kayak. Number 2. Old Town BigWater ePDL, our pick for best premium fishing kayak. For years, kayak designers have worked tirelessly to create the ultimate motorized kayak, and Old Town has risen to the challenge with the innovative BigWater ePDL. This remarkable kayak combines cutting-edge technology with a practical hull design, making it perfect for any fishing enthusiast. The BigWater ePDL features an unstoppable hull, paired with a versatile ePDL drive system that allows for multiple modes: pedal, pedal assist, and full auto. Whether I'm zooming to my my favorite fishing spot or searching for that elusive catch, I can easily switch to cruise control for maximum motor power. If I want to fine-tune my search, the 5 levels of pedal assist help conserve battery life, while the manual mode gives me ultimate control with easy forward and reverse pedaling. What's more, the ePDL runs on a compact 32-volt lithium battery, lighter and smaller than those typically used for fully motorized kayaks. Setting up the system takes only minutes, and I can easily carry the drive and battery with one hand each. The rugged, user-friendly design ensures that even novice kayakers can set it up confidently. While the ePDL may not offer the maneuverability that tournament anglers require, it gives weekend warriors the freedom to fish all day without worrying about power. With the BigWater ePDL, you can focus on catching fish and enjoying your time on the water. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Old Town Sportsman BigWater PDL 132, our pick for best fishing kayak overall. If you're an avid angler looking for a kayak that gets you on the water with ease and efficiency, the Old Town Sportsman BigWater PDL 132 is worth serious consideration. This robust fishing kayak stands out, providing a multitude of features that any on- or offshore fisherman will appreciate. Measuring 13 feet in length and 34 inches wide, it offers remarkable stability, even in choppy water, making it a reliable choice for surf launches. Whether you're battling wind waves or casting your line, the BigWater delivers a solid platform for your fishing adventures. One tester noted, "The stability blew me away. The W hull glides smoothly while providing rock-solid stability for standing to fish." Packed with features, the BigWater includes 3 molded-in rod holders, 2 accessory tracks, an integrated fish finder transducer mount, and even a custom tackle box. Storage is generous, with a rear wet well, perfect for a cooler and a dry hatch at the front. The pedal drive system is another highlight, offering effortless propulsion with on-demand reverse capability. For those seeking cutting-edge technology, the ePDL Plus version adds an electric assist, making it truly revolutionary. While this kayak isn't the lightest option at 122 pounds, making a kayak cart essential, it compensates with unparalleled performance. Although it's an investment, the BigWater PDL 132 is designed to enhance your fishing experience and help you outfish your friends consistently. Get ready for unforgettable days on the water. So that wraps up our list of the best fishing kayaks. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which fishing kayaks you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.